Hey guys, welcome back to Lucas's Tutorials and More. Today we'll be learning how to make a peanut butter and coconut smoothie. It's really good and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to make. So without further ado, let's get to it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and before we start the video, tell me if this was good and you used it so we can have more things like this. Let's go! Here are the ingredients you're gonna need. 2 bananas, 1 apple, peanut butter powder, coconut protein drink mix powder, heavy whipping cream, water, coconut sugar, knife and cutting board. So first you're going to start cutting up your bananas. Okay, the next step is you're going to pour the bananas into the blender. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is cut your apple into fourths. And then when you do that, you cut inside the middle so you get the stuff out. Like the middle of it. Like kind of like a rhombus shape. Like that. So it gets the stuff out. Then you're going to put the apples into the blender along with the bananas. Probably the easiest step. The next thing you're going to do is take the water and pour it into the blender with the bananas and apples. Till it's about 5 seconds full. Okay. Just let it sit with the bananas and apples. Okay, then the next step you're going to do is just get your heavy whipping cream. Then just drizzle it on the fruit and water for about 5 seconds. Okay. Then the next thing you're going to do is take your peanut butter powder. Take 1/3 of a cup and put it, get the peanut butter powder and then put it inside the blender. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is take your coconut mix, do the same amount, 1/3 of a cup, get it? Then pour it in as well. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is just swirl around all the powder and stuff, or else it'll be kind of interesting tasting. Mix the liquid with the solid-ish. Don't have to do it. Then the next thing you're going to do is get your brown sugar or coconut sugar. Sorry about that. So anyway, you're going to get 2 tablespoons of it. Pour it inside the blender. And yeah, there you go. Okay, here's the fun part. Now you're going to put it inside the, get ready for the blending. Three, 2, 1, go. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do, lastly, is pour it into a glass and enjoy the smoothie. Sweet, there you go. Hey, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If this worked for you, please tell me, because I'd love to hear from you. And I love this smoothie as well. But anyway, make sure you subscribe and have a nice day. Bye!